Hi everyone, we are here at Sungai Congkak. Today we are coming to here to make a big project, the cleanup project. Together with the Panasonic colleagues, we are doing the painting and also cleaning up mountain.
But this morning, early in the morning, is drizzling before we depart from the office. But when we arrive here, the rain stopped. So they also welcome us to carry out these very meaningful activities here.
Today's activity are joined by only a small group of people, but with big intention. Every day we contribute a lot of damage to our environment. But today it humbled all of us to go back to the basic and to somehow worry about the amount of damage that will do to this environment. And to all those who join this activity, well done. Let us take care of this Mother Earth.
I'm very happy to see our employees raise their hand by themselves to work on the activities, and we will always continue to have our people and our near friends happy.
Thank you very much to Panasonic for today's campaign, CSR program. We are most delighted to have you here to ensure that we preserve our eco-tourism destination.
So we hope we can make a big contribution to clear city and the clear planet.
Keep grow.